know what you're thinking. 26 horses over there and I'm digging by hand. Neighbor Ralph came in with the BX and his backhoe and he dug most of this out for me. I'm just trying to get it down to the, I guess there's kind of a base down here of cement and a lot of gravel. Long story short, this structure is 11 years old this year. The builder I got to do it, awesome builder. Great job on the whole place. I couldn't be happier. But like any other building, you know, not everything turns out perfect. I only have 2 piers on the outside of the house. This one and the one behind. Other one's fine. This guy here, as you can see, basically almost a year after I got in, I started to notice a little bit of crumbling. Not much, just a little. And each spring, I find it's crumbled a little more over the winter, and a little more. This last winter, just like basically fell apart, as you see right here. So I knew I was in trouble. So guys coming over with the cement mixer and a little know-how, we're gonna replace this pier. And hopefully we'll do a good job. As you folks know, I don't know construction. He's got a lot more experience in a lot of things than I do, and one way or another we'll get her done, but just remember, we're not experts. So this is not a how-to, this is a how we're going to do it. Hope you'll stick around. Cheers. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Thanks for coming.
Nice fresh morning, isn't it?
I noticed how you waited till I got it dug out before you came.
Oh, definitely. did it all in one pour.
They did, eh?
Yeah.
Okay.
But works out nicely for us. Because they had the steel rods down and in
Yes.
to stop this from skipping out.
Okay.
This is locked onto the soil underneath now, the rock.
Okay.
And we've got a divot in here.
Right.
So that'll act as our anchor so it can't kick sideways when the cement's poured in there.
Okay.
So we got to dig this all out nice and clean.
Okay.
So that's where we want the bottom of
center.
our sonopole to be. Dead center. Carry the weight right down.
Okay. Okay.
Now we got a little ball coming up here.
Yeah.
That's the cement. It's a little bit too dry yet. I'm just letting it get all mixed together because I have wet patch at the back and the dry patch.
Okay. Yep, I think so. What do you think, Bobby?
Perfect.
You didn't even look.
Nobody's going to be down there looking.
Husky!
Hey, Husky!
Jeez.
Good to see you, Gord.
And you too. Notice Husky Bob always shows up just at the end.
Timing, perfection.
What you been up to, Bob?
What's that?
What have you been up to?
I was watching.
What's your part? Oh, okay.
Everything looks pretty good. It's been a couple of days. Seems to be setting properly. Guy came by to check it. We're going to leave it for about a week or so, he said, and then he'll come back. We're going to take that 6x6, cut it to height, and then we're going to screw it back into place and let all the weight back down on top of this pier. Big thanks to my neighbor Guy for helping me out, because that definitely is not something I could have done on my own. I would have had to hire someone. So I think I saved a lot of money, which means I guess I better get him a pound of coffee to say thank you. Thanks so much for sticking around with us. Wow, there's always something to fix or maintain, eh? You're never ever done. We were pretty fortunate. We just kept digging down and we were able to get right down to the granite shelf, that rock shelf that runs right underneath the cottage and out here to the east. So I think that's a good thing. Guy said that's the best. You want it down on something really solid, and we were able to get it there. Have a great week with your families. Please be kind to one another, and I'll see you again right here. I'm Gord Potter, and you've been watching GP Outdoors. Cheers.
This one doesn't have perforations, so you don't need a socket.
Oh, it doesn't.